Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In last video, we studied about difference between array list and the linked list. Now in this video, we'll start with the set. Like what is set and how it is different from other collections. Okay, like set is also one of the most important interface, which is implemented like extending the collection interface. Okay, the set is mainly used like it is for a unordered collection, unordered collection, and also it will not allow the duplicate values. Okay, and we have mainly three types of classes which is implementing set. So like first one is a hash set and a linked. Second one is linked hash set. And third one is tree set. Let's see one by one. Mm, Like first we'll start with the hash set. Yeah, hash set is an unordered collection and also unique collection. Unordered means we are not storing on particular, it will not guarantee that it will store on a particular index or yeah, values. And also it is unique collection. Unique collection means it will not allow the duplicate values. So it is using the hash table, like hash table for storing our data. Like the hash table have an initial capacity of 16. So and it will consume less memory because it will not maintain the order like it will. So that is the way like it will consume less memory. You can see in the picture like we have default capacity of 16. Like it will not guarantee that on what position it will store the cover elements. Okay, based on the hash key, it will allocate the like location in the memory. And coming to linked hash set, linked hash set is main differences in set. It is order collection because we are using the hash table and linked list as a data structure to store these elements in the linked hash set. So linked hash set like it will like store the values based on the node values or address of the nodes. Okay. You can see in the picture like we are using three nodes here, having previous and next node value in next value of like next address. In between them, we are storing our data. Like they are connected to each other, so we can travel in the both the direction because we are having the previous node value, like node address and next node address also, so that we can traverse from one node to another node in like from the forward direction and backward direction also. Next, we can see tree set. Yeah, tree set is mainly like using for like it will give ascending order because uh, in like in hash set we will not get this sorting order because hash set is using the binary tree structure for internally, so it will come store the values in ascending order. By default, yeah, by default we mention like maintaining ascending order. We can uh, customize this using comparator. Like we have comparator. In comparator, we have compare method. So it will compare two elements, and like it will just sort the based on the logic. And it is consuming less memory compared to linked list because it is not maintaining any order. Yeah, this is all about that set interface. And we will see one practical example in the next video. So if you like my content, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends so that I can make more videos and like we can reach more people. Thank you. Thank you for watching.